What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how I made these smoothies using my BlendJet 2, using frozen peaches, blueberries, and some mangoes. If you want to see how I make these, just keep on watching. So the first smoothie I'll be making is a peach mango. I'm first going to start off by using some almond milk for my base, and I'm going to put about 6 ounces inside of my blender. Next, I'm going to be adding some frozen sliced peaches. I'm just estimating maybe about half a cup that I'm adding here. So next, I'm going to try something new. I'm going to try this Silk dairy-free peach mango yogurt. I have never tried this before, but since I'm making a peach mango smoothie, hey, why not add just a little more flavor to it? Next, I'm going to add in some frozen mango chunks. And again, I'm just estimating maybe a half a cup. This is just not working. So you know what? I'm going to use my 32-ounce jar today. Yeah, that's what I'll do. Now we're blending. I'm just going to add a little more almond milk just to kind of thin it out just a little. thick and creamy, just like I like it. The second smoothie that I will be making is a peach blueberry smoothie. I'm going to be adding in 2 tablespoons of vanilla yogurt. You can also use vanilla Greek yogurt as well. That has blended and made this beautiful purple looking color, I am going to pour it into my handy dandy glass, and the consistency is exactly what I wanted. And there you have it, 2 more easy and simple BlendJet 2 recipes. If you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't already subscribed. All right, you guys, that's it for me. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.